As we are all well aware, libraries remain in a constant state of budget crisis, never funded to levels adequate enough to support all the programs desired and required by library patrons. For our project, we decided to demonstrate where free tools are just lying about on the internet, waiting for any library to discover and use them. We modeled our general project after the Internet Public Library's 15 Things. However, as we delved deeper into the project, we discovered there were certain items in the 15 things we focused on to the exclusion of others. Due to the nature of this project, we are presenting the IPL list out of order, and there were some things we just didn't focus on at all. The first item we focused on, and what we spent all semester on really, was item number 9, social bookmarking and tagging. This is the main page of the social bookmarking website we established called mylibrarylinks.com. Here at My Library Links, users can post content, review other posted links, and various other activities.
Our website is based on Plig software, which is a web-based content management system. A content management system is a program designed to allow multiple authors to add and edit content on a website without the need for understanding complex coding or file transfer protocols. Once a content management system is downloaded and installed on a domain server, making changes to the website is as easy as the click of a button. Plig is an open source software with a very active user community. This community provides support, templates, and other modules to allow for customization and greater website interactivity.
This is a social bookmarking site, not a blog. We wanted to do something a little bit different as there are thousands of library blogs out there. Here, users post a link and give a brief description and then release the information into the community. One of the main problems we noticed was the proliferation of spammers on our page, and it has been an almost daily chore to delete all the unwanted off-topic postings.
Currently, we have installed a web analytics software to track the number of visits to our website, the time of day visitors arrive, and what country each user is visiting from. This software is called AW Stats and is available for free on the internet. AW Stats can also display what browsers are being used and how often the major search engines are indexing our website.
Here are just a few of the additional pieces of information we can gather with this tool, making it easy for us to adjust our content to reflect our users and their needs.
By using the free website twitterfeed.com, I was able to connect our RSS feeds to our My Library Links Twitter account, so that as a new story is added to our website, a corresponding tweet with a library hashtag is created. This allows for instant updates to our Twitter followers. In the near future, our RSS feeds will be tied into our Facebook page to allow our Facebook fans to keep up to date on the latest postings. We created a Facebook fan page for mylibrarylinks.com and also our separate project, asklola.com.
More about that later.
We wanted the Facebook pages to create awareness for the website, and this is also a great way for us to get feedback from our users and keep users up to date on site additions and changes, which brings us to...
As you may have heard in the previous slide, we also have a separate website called asklola.com. Due to the time constraints of the semester, we haven't done more than establish the bare bones of the site, but we do have plans. We registered a web name, established a Facebook page, and created a Google Voice account to allow free text messaging for reference questions. Eventually, we hope to take the site live as a free reference service, but right now all we have is the basic foundation created. This, in sum, has been the culmination of a semester's work. Jason and I have set up and maintained 2 websites, tied the websites to RSS feeds, and linked them automatically to tweet when new items were posted. We set up 2 Facebook pages and a Google Voice account to allow for text message referencing, all for less than $100. Actually, everything except for registering the websites and purchasing the template for the page was completely free. Library 2.0 is useful for all libraries, as the only thing required is the desire to learn new technology as it appears, and the flexibility to recognize how this technology can assist libraries struggling with small or reduced budgets. This project was begun to prove, in fact, that it can be done.